NRC tawdringaida census tawdana ba kuki jo furup ki missing henkalakpa amadi Manipur gi demographic ta kairakpa si yengsinbina na ba Prime Minister Narendra Modi amadi Union Minister Amit Shah da memorandum ama NPP gi MLA M Rameshwar na Pisinkhre hari National People's Party NPP gi leader ama oiriba kaksing AC gi MLA M Rameshwar na Delhi da chatuna Manipur da National Register of Citizens NRC chatna halaba matung census inglising ani kuntarup kuntaret pangthok piu haina taksiluraga ngasi Imphal da thorakpa Paumi Singa Unaba Mada MLA Rameshwar na makha taraduna Mahag Manipur gi yelhomi ama oina Manipur gi Legislative Assembly da NPP dagi MLA oiribani Manipur da NRC tawdringai da census pangthok pahaibasi hauzik oiriba fibam asida yamna laibak thiba oigani maramaduna Central Lengak amadi census ka mari leinaba authority da NRC asi Manipur da mapung fana pangthok laba matung census ki thabak thoram sing Ningthina chathabiu haina appeal tauki maram aduna state asida hauzik illegal immigrants sing narol da changsilakpa hengatlakpana Manipur ki demographic ki khongsatta akaiba kaya pirakle kumja inglising amaga chamapan humfu mapan dagi inglising aniga kulhumdoi fawbagi Ministry of Panchayati Raj na piriba khungangi masing yenglubada state asigi kuki furup sing na Namna taba mafam sing da khungang mawong sadan hengatli hiram sing asida data amadi figure sing punna yauba marik chumba memorandum ama India gi Prime Minister Narendra Modi Union Home Minister Amit Shah Home Secretary Govind Mohan Notice ki Security Advisor Ajit Lal amadi Register General unana Census Commission of India da Pisinkhre Manipur da illegal immigrants sing na narol da changsilaktuna Manipur gi demographic ta chauna ahongba lakliba asigi luraba matam asida Central Lengak ta khanghanbagi matam oire missing hengalakliba asi normal population growth ka yamna khetnarabani na karam yengani haibasi yamna kupthaba assessment ama mari leinaba authority na yengsin bachangi Manipur gi demographic amadi electoral da chauna ahongba lakliba asi hauzik yamna munna yengsil hoba changi natrabadi Manipur gi asengba yelhomi India gi citizens singi ngaglo kanbangam loi haina phongdokhi
Because of the independence, if there's too much of a gap, those people who migrated during that time would not be taken into account. That is the main basic thing. But the thing is, this once the committee is formed and technicalities could be decided by the committee, giving reasons from all communities. See, we are not against any community. The genuineness of the thing should be there. Like in some case of example of certain representatives, whom I don't want to name, I believe. Only at the age of 46 they became elector and then they became MLA and all that. Those things are coming out in the media and all, but we need to actually study and whatever queries or whatever doubts we have should be clarified the people from the other communities, and the genuineness should be decided based on the facts and figures after discussion on the table.